Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pan and zoom in CapCut. Now let's begin. Right now I'm on my CapCut PC and I have already imported a file. I'm simply gonna click and drag it to the timeline. Now I want you to click on this video once again, and on the top right, a menu bar will open having many functionalities such as video, audio. Right now we're only gonna focus on this video section and especially on the basic subsection. I want to add two keyframes for scale and position. That is what you do initially to initiate pan zoom, and I want to pan zoom till the end, so let's simply go to the end of the video, add another scale and position keyframe. Now simply scale it to whatever desired you wish, or you can also use this slider to scale and move the video on screen. And I think that's about it, guys. Let's simply play the video.
Instead of talking to you, random person scrolling Facebook. Thanks for the click.
And that's about it, guys. That's how you pan and zoom in on CapCut. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.